Hello everyone! Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. For today's project, I'm gonna make another greeting card for an upcoming birthday of one of my good friends, which is on September. So as early as today, I wanted to make one for her. She's turning 86 years old, and I'm gonna make a birthday card that she will like. So anyway, to get started, here are my materials for the card that I'm going to make. This cutout, I used this cutout for this die cut. Actually, I already tried to put some decorations in it. This die cut is for this piece over here, and it has a hand also, and the die cut for this one is that one. Okay, so I'm gonna use that, and I got my die cut for the butterfly, and this is the die cut I'm gonna use for that. There, I use glittered paper for this card that I'm making. And for the ribbon, for this ribbon, which I already pre-made, I use the die cut for the ribbon. This is the die cut that I use for the ribbon, and it does have a small square, so that's the die cut for that. Okay. And then, of course, for these small pieces over here, I hope you could see them. Let me just bring it a little bit closer to you guys. There, those little pieces of flowers. This is the die cut I used for that one. And I bought this, I think, cottage something, the brand name of this, but I really don't remember. It's a long time ago from my stash. And then, of course, my famous leaf, the lines that I like, I cut it for different colors: green, yellow, white, pink, for that one. And of course, the favorite leaves that I like are these cutouts coming from this die cut which I've shown you in some of my previous videos. So far, and also for the flowers, I have this punch. This is an Fiskar, and I think this is an old punch set or a puncher. But I don't know if they're selling this one, and this is the big one and the small one. So those are the, if you can see, these are the big one, and then you got the small one over there. Okay, the base card I'm gonna use is what you see here. And to add a little background, I wanted to share you an idea on how to make a shaker card, but it's not actually a really shaker card. I use plastic cellophane. If you could see, there's a various of glitters in it. This is what I wanted to use as a shaker card for my card. I'm just gonna paste this one on the cardstock and use it as a background. If you can see it there, you can see it. So what I just did here, it's a different, you just get, if you have some cellophane, these are the cellophane, the plastic seal cellophane that you put your treats, or if you want to give somebody, you can purchase this in Amazon. And for this one, what I use are these glitters over here that I have from my stash. Those kind of glitters. Okay, these are the kind of glitters that I use, and this glitters also. And I think what I use for this particular is this glitters. It's a combination of a lot of different colors. Okay, So just to show you the idea, all you have to do is open your cellophane, get a few of everything and just drop it, drop it there. And then I have this from my stash, which is also a long time ago. This one I was able to get it from a garage sale. I'm not sure how much they are. I can't remember anymore, but these are the glitters that I bought from a garage sale. And there's also another green here, which is pretty. There. So the idea of this is just to pour a few of everything into the cellophane. There. Doesn't have to be many. Maybe we'll pour a little of this. Oops! I think I poured a lot. But that's fine. And then we'll put a little of blue. Just a little of that. There. And then maybe I like to put some green. And last but not the least, I like to put some pink. Okay. Actually, I put all the colors there. Yes, there. There. Just like that. And then once it's in there, all you have to do is to just, shake it around, spread it in the cellophane. And that's gonna give you a shaker. Okay, so when you adhere it to a card, this is how it's gonna look like. See? So if you paste it to a card, like you get your white, any background you like, put it this one, and that's how it's gonna look like. And put your another card over here. And you can now design it. Okay, isn't it pretty? So that's one. So once I am done with my card, I will show you the finish of it. And with this one, if you see these pieces, this is coming from this die set. And what I did is I put also beads on it, half beads. All you have to do is get one of this here. There, get one of that. And then you just, poke it in the middle there, so that it's gonna curl. And when it's curled, put a little glue on the middle. There, put a little glue on the middle. And once you put the glue on it, you get your beads. These are half beads. And just get one of the purple. And just paste it there. Oops, it's not the correct way. Alright, let's do that again. Just get that and put it there. So that's how it's gonna look like. See? There. And then we're ready to assemble everything into a card. So I'm gonna show you in a little while the card itself. Okay, be right back. Hello, I'm back, and I'm back with my finished card. So this is how the card turned out, the birthday card that I just made. There you are. And I'm just gonna show you details. There's the butterfly and the leaves and the flowers, and that's how the card turned out. And when I opened it up, and I just made a little design over there, and then you can write your message over here, and then that's how it turned out. So I hope you like the card that I made, and hopefully I can make one again, one of a kind of this one again soon. So there's the card, and until my next video, I will be making more cards, and I'll be sharing them again soon. Now you have a good day, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.